Hey, what's up guys, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here the fake Gundam Justice, or the Justice Gundam from Cheng Shuen model kit, and this is the Cheng Shuen X09A Justice Mecha, the fake Justice Gundam. Okay, so let's check this kit out and let's see what this fake Justice Gundam has to offer us. Panginbiran kits. So the box art is just the same copy for the Justice Gundam by Bandai, except they just changed the master grade into this X09A 1/100 scale model, and of course it is from the fake Chinese company Cheng Shuen, and this is rebranded as the Justice Mecha. Okay, and there we go. Same picture from Bandai box, and the side of the box here we can see another fake name again, X09A Extraordinary Mecha. What the fuck is this, Cheng Shuen? And there we got to see front view, rear view, action pose and flying pose of this fake Gundam here. And there at the side of the box we can see X09A Extraordinary Mecha. Okay, so if we open the box here, you can see instruction manual bearing the X09A ZGMF like this mecha. So there, it's a very cheap and very fake thing here. And there we can see the manual here. Good thing it has this English translation, which is very nice. So let's check the parts here. The parts is not that much, and I think I can finish this within an hour or 2 hours. There we got to see this parts with cross marks, meaning this is not included with the kit, and it contains an action base stand. Good thing. And so we got to see the assembling process of this kit. So this kit is not that hard to build, and there we go. We can see that this kit is an easy kit to build. Okay, so in the center fold you can see the pictures from the anime, but this is represented by model kit. This is the orb liberation operation, and we can see the Justice Mecha there and the Strike Freedom or the Strike Gundam. Okay, so too much for that. Let's go with the parts here. We got this action base stand along with this pink parts here. We got gray parts and pink parts, dark parts for the inner frame, and they're gray parts also. And we got gray parts here for the inner frame, and finally we got parts for the striker pack. And for the it's this War slide decals and drive transfer decals. We got to see this war slide and drive transfer here, and there we go. So as always, let's have a quick review for this fake Justice Gundam here. So we got here this very big runner here for runner H, and this is for the striker pack. And we go with the gray parts here. We got two sets of this big runner here for the gray parts. This is by the way runner J. Okay, these are for the inner frame parts. Another gray parts here, but a small runner, which is runner C for the inner frame parts. Then we got to see this metallic gray runner here, runner G. And we got this white runner for runner E2 and runner E1. This is for the, I think this one for the wings. And we got the pilot figure of Atrun Zala, and we got two sets of runner E2 by the way for the white parts. Then we got runner I here for the gray parts for the inner frame and also for the weaponries. Then we got this runner F and another runner F. So we got two sets of runner F for this pink runners. And what I observe with the plastic quality is the plastic seems to be rubbery. It's like you can feel sense some bounce like that, so it's like rubbery type of plastic. And we got here gray parts for runner B. This is for the what do you call this, for the striker pack. And there we got the shield parts. So we got this white parts which is being detached due to bad service and packaging from the fake Chinese corporation. And there we got the runner for action base stand. And finally we got this multicolored runner for runner A. I presume, yes, this is runner A for the pink, clear pink parts, and this one for yellow parts. Okay, so let's build this shit out. Chong Cheng Chong Chang, what's up? This is the finished product of the Cheng Shuen Justice Mecha, Justice Gundam, the bootleg version of the master grade from Bandai. And yeah, actually this kit is really garbage, and what I notice is most of the joints of this kit is are really loose, especially here on the waist, the J20 or the J4 peg there, and along with the other supposed to be brittle pegs inside those waist are really loose, which I did put some joint tightening method, the super glue joint tightening. And for the knee joints, the ankle joints, these are all loose. So everything here on this kit seems like a Michael Jackson kit because of those very loose joints. Seems like this is a paralyzed human like that. So you might ask me how this thing's standing right now. It's because I modify all the joints, especially the knees, those waist, and in this ankle, for it to stand even if there is this kind of big backpack here. So there. Okay, let's focus first on the height and size comparison. So I got here the Bandai master grade, they call this Infinite Justice, and this Bandai Aegis Gundam. So there, it's a nice kit, by the way, since this is a copy of the Bandai, so it feels like it's a Bandai, but of course the quality, if you don't modify yet the joints, this is the quality of a trash bag. Okay, so let's go with the review. So let's remove first this backpack here. So if you can see, before I remove, by the way, let's go with the side post of this kit. As you can see, there we go. The kit tends to lean forward because of the back heaviness, so this is a counteract for the back heaviness. So if we're going to remove this backpack here, you can see how this is really leaning forward. So it's a Smooth Criminal by Michael Jackson. So this is a tribute for the Michael Jackson movie. Okay, so there we go. It's very leaning forward. Okay, so the joints and then the head is really tilting upward like that, so the head can rotate very nice like that. Okay, so then the shoulder can rotate 360 degrees. Everything moves here like this. And for the arms, it can raise up to this far. Okay, it can raise up to that far. Okay, so the hands, I changed the hands to Dalin Decal hands, and there you can raise like this, 180 degrees bend for the elbows, and for the waist it can rotate 360 degrees. I cannot do the ab crunch because I tightened the joints here too much, so if I do the ab crunch I might break those peg inside, because I did that just to counteract the weight of the backpack. Okay, so for the side skirts, front skirt, okay, there we go. Let's raise it first. Yeah, side skirts can raise, front skirt can raise like that. Okay, back skirt can raise up to this far, and as you can see, this is not completely covered with the gray part there, unlike the Freedom Gundam. And for the waist here, I will not play with this kit too much in this part because I really tightened those J4 parts there, those pieces. I reinforce it with super glue, but still it can do the basic poses there. It can still rotate this thing like that. Okay. Can kick backward like that, can kick forward like that. And for the knees, it can still bend there, but it's now a bit tight because I modified the joints. Okay. For the feet here, it's a bit tight as well because I modified all the joints. So this kit is really for advanced builders, and this is not for beginner newbie modelers, because you need to do some modification, so much modification on this kit, I'm telling you. And there, as you can see, for the weapons, it got this gun here and this double sabers. So we got this sabers which you can combine, and then can put some large beam effect parts, and this one for the beam boomerang. And there we go, we got the hatches here, which is very loose, so I might put some super glue on this. Okay, so it keeps on opening there. Okay, so you need to put glue for those pieces that shouldn't be moving. Okay. For the backpack here, we got this kind of mechanism here. This one is really loose as well, but I did modify the tightness here, put some super glue there. So there we go, we can open this like that, or maybe like this. There we go. There you can put the wings on this manner, and we got the guns, turret guns here forward. It can also extend forward like that, and it can move sideways, and it can bend like this forward. So if you're making this attach on the back, it can shoot forward by putting this like this. Okay, so there we go. Can close this up, then it can retract like this and extend those parts. Anyway, so there it can extend up to this far, and this one got this peg underneath the feet, which is a bit hard to retract. But anyway, I will not show you. It will just pop it like that, and you can slot it here on these holes. So if you want to display this in flying mode like this, you may do so. For me, I don't really like this kind of kit because of those loose joints here on the waist and the knees. So it gave me a very hard time modifying those joints and pegs because of those looseness. So I don't know if Bandai suffers the same issue because I don't have the Bandai, but I can prove because of this model kit here as well. So this Infinite Justice here has the same problem, especially here on the feet and the legs. So I believe that Bandai also has this kind of issue for the Justice Gundam, since the Infinite Justice has the same quality issues on the knees. So that's it. So do I recommend this kit to beginners? For me, no. And I can say just avoid this kit. So if you're a fan of the Justice Gundam, just buy the Bandai one because this one is really trash. So that's it. See you next time, Cameraman from Cameraman Gundam Studios saying good night, God bless, take care. Kierks, anong ginagawa mo dyan, Kierks? Kierks. Liga dito, Kierks. Pasyal tayo, Kierks. Labas. Kasama ka ba? Ano mang kasama, Kierks eh. Matino si Kierks. So, daan ka na kasi mo, pwede naman ba eh. Yun si Mama. Yun. Ba't tumakbo ka doon, Kierks? Kierks.